just to let everybody know what this fucking noise is, it's them goddamn cicadas. Cicadas! In case you don't know what the fuck cicadas are, it's these things swarming all over my tree. That's them all over my fucking branches right there. Yeah. They're fucking everywhere. They come out like once every 7 years or 10 years or 13 years or something like that. And they're everywhere and they're loud as fuck. Well, I'm gonna do something about this. I'm not standing for this bullshit. Shit! I don't even know if they're harmless. Like, do they bite? Do they sting? I don't know. They could be harmless. I don't fucking know, but they're pissing me off. Alright, how I plan to handle this situation is with my friend here, Mr. Angry Paddle. He'll get this shit done. Here I go. Yeah, fuck all you! Yeah! Come on! I'll kick your fucking ass! You're a piece of shit! Shit! Right, you shattered! I lost my fucking weapon. My paddle, Mr. Angry Paddle, stuck in a damn tree. I ain't fucking climbing up there to get it. Good thing I got this. Mr. Angry Paddle's brother, Chuck. Here's a fucking jackpot. Look at all those damn things. Tree, they're everywhere. Well, me and Chuck have got some business to attend to. There's no water pressure. You wanna mess with me? I'll kill you! There's too many! Fall back! I lost the battle, but not the war. Fuck you!